Welcome to my galley, everyone. This is a hearty beef stew I make everywhere I go, including my boat.
Today, I'm prepping it at home to freeze. It acts like an ice brick in the boat cooler for a few days, then thaws just in time to heat up in the galley for the crew. You don't need a yacht to enjoy this. I used to call this boeuf bourguignon, but after watching Julia Child, I realized I was just making a damn good beef stew. The ingredients are based on what quantities you have available. 500 grams or a half pound of cheap beef cuts, cubed. Half a 500 gram or a half pound package of bacon. Some chopped cooking onions, equal to the amount of meat. 20 shallots or pearl onions. Red wine, of dubious heritage. Some low-sodium beef stock. Tomato paste, bay leaves, cloves, garlic powder, and flour. The method. Bake your bacon at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes until slightly browned. Trust me, you'll never go back to the pan. While that bakes, sauté the cooking onions until golden and caramelized. Next, dredge the beef in flour, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Sear the meat in a hot, oiled pan to lock in color. Deglaze that pan with your wine of dubious quality. Even a fighting wine like a heavy Australian red will do the trick. Add the meat, caramelized onions, and bacon to a slow cooker. Pour in the wine reduction, more stock, cloves, and bay leaves. Set to high. After an hour, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste for color. Prep the pearl onions by blanching them in boiling water for a minute, then flush with cold water. They'll slide right out of their skins. Add them and some baby carrots during the final hour of cooking. Remove the bay leaves, package, and freeze. Serve it with a baguette or mashed potatoes. A great prepare-ahead boat meal. Bon appétit! Oh, and now is the time to watch the video I'm highlighting. Self-eating meals. No. Self-heating. Self-heating meals.
Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.